Right, this is a review of Burns carrot treats for dogs, rabbits and small animals. Let's see how Boots likes them. Tip. Just dried pieces of carrot. Spin. Good girl. Is that nice? Oh, you like them? Crunchy. Speak. 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 Yep, she seems to like these. Just like dry pieces. Well, they are dry pieces of carrot. Beg. 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 Good girl. And some more. Ready? Bang. Good girl. There you go. Oh, you like them. I think we'll be buying them in future because they're healthy and Boots loves them.